In this video, I'll show you how to create an Amazon account without a phone number. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so there are two ways where you can create an Amazon account without a phone number. First off, go to your mobile device and open the app. If you don't have the app yet, download it on Apple Store, and then Google Play Store. And once you've done that, log in, right? And if you are using a computer, hover here at Amazon.com. We need to go to the sign up form right here. So first off, you need to put in your details of your full name, right? And once you've done that, here at the second menu, you are asked to give a mobile number or an email. So to be able to create an Amazon account without a phone number, all you gotta do is put your email address here. Okay, if you have your email address ready, or if not, go to some website that offers the temporary email. And then when you put your email here, all you're gonna do is create a strong and unique passwords, re-enter it, okay, and then click continue. Of course, you need to agree on the terms and conditions, and you will be asked for a verification later. And once you've provided that, that's how you successfully create an account on Amazon without a phone number. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.